Welcome back to another modding video for BTD5 and Battles. In this video, we're going to cover how to edit balloons. So go ahead and get your method of modding ready. And it's checking for updates right now for BTD Toolbox. I'm going to go ahead and get my file open. Where is it? Balloon definitions. So with BTD Toolbox, there's two ways you can edit the balloons. I'll cover the first way. Let's just go ahead and open up Red Balloon. We can see the initial health right here. Its speed multiplier. Maybe it's got some child balloons and some other stuff. So you can edit all these as much as you want. Honestly, I'd rather not though, because we've got something better. Click on Easy Tools and click on Easy Balloon Editor. And there you go. You can edit this in the Easy Editor. So real quick, I want to go over something. If you click on page 2, you can see we've got Apply Status and Balloon Ability. These two are BTD5 specific, and they are not for BTD Battles. So if you're using this in BTD Battles, you won't see those. Also, we can edit the status immunities. So a status immunity is like how a lead balloon can't be popped by a dart from a dart monkey. That's because a lead balloon has the piercing status immunity. So we can add stuff like that. We can add, that is piercing damage immunity. Status immunity is like how the glue gunner's glue does not affect MOAB class balloons. That's because it's a status immunity. I believe they also have the frozen one as well. But yeah, so you can edit the balloons and add them there. This is the same for if you're editing the JSON. So if you're not using Toolbox or you just want to edit the JSON, you can get them as well. I recommend pausing the video so you can get the exact names, because all of these have been typed exactly as their names are. So if you wanted a list, here's your list. Also, we can add child balloons pretty easily. So child balloons are like when you pop a blue balloon, a red balloon comes out. So red balloons don't have any child balloons. Something to be careful of is if you had a red balloon give any children, it'll be an infinite balloon, because a red balloon would create more red balloons, which creates more red balloons, which creates more red balloons, and you guys get the idea. If you wanted to add child balloons and you're not using Toolbox, here's a list right here. I don't recommend using the boss balloons unless you make a mod to make these work. There's a bug in BTD5 with boss balloons. Basically, they use sprites from a different sprite sheet than all the other balloons. So when you spawn them in game, it causes a bug. It starts glitching out super hard. It's an easy fix, just add their sprites to the in-game sprite sheet, which we'll cover later in this tutorial series. Anyways, I'm gonna make this red balloon give a shitload of ZOMGs. Hit that save button. Now I believe I should just close this red balloon file and open up again. And there you guys go. You can see it added the child balloons. Let's go back to page 1. So I don't recommend anybody editing this type here, because it's specific to the red balloon. If you edit this, it's not going to work. As of right now, I don't think anybody's figured out how to add brand new balloon types. I'm going to be honest, I'm not totally sure what initial health is. I think it might be like layers. Let's check a ceramic balloon real quick. Yeah, so I think that's accurate. It's layers. Let's go back to red balloon. There we go. And the base speed is how fast it moves as its base, but the speed multiplier I think is affected by like game modes and other things like that. Radius and scale have to do with how much space it takes up and the size of the picture or the sprite. RBE stands for red balloon equivalent. So a red balloon is 1 red balloon equivalent. A blue balloon would be a 2 red balloon equivalent. Let's get blue balloon up. There you guys go. So you get the idea. Now the sprite file is which sprite picture it's using. So you basically just copy and paste different ones in there, and then you can see that. While I'm displaying this whole tutorial from the Easy Editor, everything I'm saying right now relates to BTD5, Battles, and Monkey City. I believe child effect scale is basically how big the children of this balloon will look. I've only ever seen this used with the gold balloon from BTD5. I'm gonna move this back to red balloon real quick. We've got some advanced options here as well. So if you guys have noticed, the MOAB class balloons do not go underground. You can change that by in the Easy Balloon Editor, or in your JSON file by setting can go underground to false. Also, the MOAB class balloons rotate depending on the direction of the path they're going on. Normal balloons don't. If you want to change that, you just check this or uncheck this, or if you're editing the JSON, just add rotate to path false. I have absolutely no idea what hit add-on does, but I do know that the MOAB class balloons have them. If you want more information on that, either look at the MOAB class balloons or just go to the Discord server, which is always linked in the description, and ask someone there. Draw layer is how it's drawn onto the map, basically. So MOAB class balloons are in the air. I'm not sure what regular balloons are. Under tower means there's a chance, you know, if your tower is pretty close, like if you drop spikes on the path, the balloon would go under the spikes like most balloons go underground. And I believe there's another one called ground. I really don't know. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. Let's we've added our child balloons. Let's just like crank this up to like stupid high, and a base speed. I don't want to make it too fast because then you guys won't see it. I'll set the speed multiplier to 2. And let's change the child effect balloon size to 1 because let's just see what happens. And let's change the scale from 0.8 to 1.8. I'm going to hit the save button and I'm going to press F5 and let's see what happens. Alright, so we're in Sandbox, and for this mod we edited the red balloons, so let's see what happens when we send the red balloon. I'm kind of nervous. Whoa, that's big. He can't even pop that sucker because it's so powerful. Let's throw a couple of these bad boys. These should help break that guy down. Oh man, I think oh my god! That's too much! Oh, yeah, we're not gonna win this one. Sorry guys, we're gonna die. I'm surprised actually, these OP dart monkeys aren't doing too bad. Oh no, it made more red balloons. Yeah, we're gonna die. Anyways, that's the OP modding video I never should have made. If you guys notice that bug I was talking about earlier, if you make a regular balloon, basically, I don't know how to describe this, but we have these OP red balloons creating a bunch of ZOMGs that create more OP red balloons. It's a never-ending, you'll never win. Anyways, yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching.